Must have been this bit. Welcome to Mitten Trucker's Garage, where we do stuff backwards. Today, I ain't got no help. My help went to his mama's, and I got to move my frame back across there because I am done with it. It is finally finished. So I'm going to scoot it back over as far as I can get it and put it back up on the jack stand. So this is going to be fun by myself. But I've already got some of the stuff positioned to where I need it. So all I got to do is kick the jack stands out. It's just getting it back up on the jack stands is going to be the problem. So I do got to be careful around some of the parts so I don't chip the paint. So let's get to this. I'll fast forward it through this, part. And we'll get to the surprise I got for y'all. Oh yeah, y'all gonna like it. I hope y'all's watching this videos and you're liking it. So, yeah. I'm gonna need your help at the end of this video, and you'll see why. So, let me scoot this over, and we'll go from there. Nice crashed her. Dumbass. It's hot. I need a fan. Let me get the truck back in, or the Blazer back in real quick. Show you what we got. Sorry. I don't know if you can see it, but I can. But here's some of the parts. I'm going to grab my crane, or my lift, and get that out. Hold that. Got it?
But turn your fan on in here.
I ain't got one.
What is that thing right there?
What thing? It's not a fan. It's an air compressor.
Oh, shit.
I manhandle it.
I was trying to hurry up.
No, you're good. I was trying to catch you before you got in the shower.
No, I told y'all was coming, but I knew y'all had to hurry up and get ready to go.
Personal problem.
Think.
You want to be in my video?
Hell no. Do I look like a video kind of person?
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
Shit.
I'm gonna listen to everybody play the fool. Now what are you doing?
Getting that out.
What you gotta do?
Get my lift.
Let's see this. Don't y'all start with me already.
I'm my buddy Rob.
Oh no.
What?
I've been singing and everything.
Oh, come on. Don't be scared.
I ain't scared.
There you go.
Since I ain't camera ready right now.
You're scared.
I ain't never scared.
He's scared.
I ain't never scared.
You scared.
Uh-uh.
Then get back over here in the video.
It's hot.
You're scared.
And I'm too big. I look like a big old thing of Kool-Aid. I'm like Kool-Aid Man's nephew.
Boy. I'm really serious about making a redneck video, Mike, Big Rob.
They ain't ready for none of that.
Gonna be big country and Big Rob.
Yeah, they ain't ready for that. That's too much.
Bud Rob's want to take the truck, so. Dang it. Oh, wait. No, I'm going to go ahead and put it on my. It's crazy. Here she is, guys. She's at y'all's surprise. I got my motor block. Went in yesterday to make a payment. And he turned around and told me my block was ready. I'm like, are you serious? He said, yeah. I said, you're joking. No, it's ready. Here we are. I was going to try to get it on video, but like I said, I just went there to pay the bill. I wasn't expecting to get the motor. So, we got it. This is where I need your help. Should I paint it? And this I will need y'all's help. Please. I'm really asking for y'all's help. Comment in the bottom. And what color I should turn the block. Green. Hang on. I'll get the color. It's not the same. Almost ain't the same color as the motor. So I don't know how it's going to look, but or the frame, but we'll see. Should I go engine gloss black or this color, which is Gabler green? So I mean, here's the frame color. So, I don't know. Maybe. But I do need y'all's help on doing that. So, that way we know what we're dealing with. Oh. Please help. Comment in the bottom. What color I should do it. Either the block. Green. Or black with, I should say green with everything else black. You know, other stuff green too. Or should I do black with all the other stuff green? Don't know. Leave the comment in the bottom. So, we can do this. So, I'm going to get this covered, I think. That plastic was ripped by the time I got home, so. I tried to do something the other day, but I didn't know how to finish doing it. Try to hit those things at the end where you have the little picture of your logo and then, one or two videos that you can choose from. I tried to do that and didn't know how to do it. So maybe I have to go to YouTube video record, maker, and then go through there. We don't know. But, like, comment, put a like and a comment in the bottom. Let me know what y'all want, what color I should do this motor block. I said either green or black. Comment in the bottom, green or black. It's only two options because the truck and frame is going black and green with 3D green flames. Well, now you know that secret. Dang it. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Wherever it's at. Till next time. Later.